Hey Insurance, this is Tony Cañas, Chief Motivational Officer at Insurance Nerds and PNC Client Advisor at the Jacobson Group. Today I want to talk to you about something that I like to call the Aviation Underwriter Paradox. And basically, it goes something like this. Within the insurance ecosystem, we have fantastic career opportunities for people from literally any academic background. I don't care which major you studied in college or what you were into as a kid or what your background was for the last few years. There's a very good chance that we have a great job for you within insurance. The problem is that very few people, almost nobody, grow up wanting to work. Almost nobody grows up wanting to work in insurance. So basically, there is a bit of a disconnect because let me just go ahead and tell you the story. So it goes something like this. Imagine a kid that is a huge aviation nerd. He or she grows up playing flight simulator and staring out the window at airports, identifying planes, and watching YouTube videos on aviation and planes and dreaming of flying. So their area of nerdiness during childhood is aviation, and they spend their free time playing flight simulator, and they have planes, pictures of planes on the walls and in their locker room during school, and they dream of being a pilot, and they grow up, and it turns out that for whatever reason they end up not being able to become a pilot because of bad eyesight, or for whatever reason they end up not being able to become a pilot. This kid is a perfect aviation underwriter or aviation broker. The problem is they have no idea that aviation underwriting or aviation brokering are potential careers, because we don't do a good job of getting the word out about insurance careers. So this kid who would make an amazing aviation underwriter or aviation broker needs some help. We need to first identify them. Number two, we need to get them interested in insurance and help them understand the amazing career and how happy they would be in a career as an aviation underwriter or broker. But those are not entry-level jobs within insurance. So we're gonna have to not only get them interested in insurance, but also help them get in to an entry-level role, and then mentor them from that entry-level role. So get them into, the claims call center, and then from the claims call center, help them get into small commercial underwriting, and then from a small commercial underwriting, maybe finally make the move to the aviation space. But basically, the key issue here is that this kid would be a fantastic fit to become an aviation underwriter or an aviation broker. How do we get them there? Okay, so this requires us, the great global insurance community, to have the conversation with the kids in our lives, have the conversation with our own kids, with our nieces and nephews, with our neighbors' kids, our kids' friends. Find the ones that have interests that would translate well into specialty areas of insurance, and then get them excited about it and help them get there. So I think today's video is going to be fairly short, maybe 4 or 5 minutes total, but that's the basic idea. How do we, as an insurance community, how do we identify the kids that have specific interest in areas where they would be a great addition to the insurance community in the long term, even though those specialty areas, there's no entry-level jobs, right? So help me think through that. How do we do that? So anyway, that's kind of what I want to talk about today. I just wanted to get you guys thinking about it. If you know anybody who had a similar story, who grew up with a particular hobby or passion and is now an underwriter, a broker, a claims adjuster, or something along the lines within insurance for that particular hobby, tag them. Have them come and tell their story. We'd love to have them in Insurance Nerds write a Wild of Insurance story. Because that's one of the beauties of insurance. Insurance allows you to live a really good life and over time get closer to the things that you're passionate about. And it's one of the things that I really love about insurance. So anyway, this is Tony Cañas with Insurance Nerds and the Jacobson Group. If you enjoyed my videos, please subscribe. Look for the subscribe button. Or if you are watching this on LinkedIn, not on YouTube, search for Insurance Nerds on YouTube and the Insurance Nerds. Subscribe to both so that you never miss one of our videos. TC out.